I will walk you through how to import Trello card data with Import to Wizard. To start, prepare your CSV file. Please check that you have data in list column and it matches with list name that you are importing to. This is required by Trello. And then, save or export your file in a CSV format. Log into your Wizard account and start a new CSV import. Press plus sign and add a Trello connection. You will be asked to select the board you will be importing to. Continue to set up Cards import. On this step, you match data in your CSV file and Trello Cards fields. This is called mapping. Trello allows many ways to format text in description, and we have a video available on our channel explaining how it works. If you need to import multiple members to Trello card, please use semicolon as separator in your CSV. Once import is finished, you will see a list of all imported cards with links to open them in Trello. This is how you import Trello card data with Import to Wizard in a few simple steps.